fun and easy way to learn math on TV. I'm Teacher Mar at your service. And today, we will define and illustrate the meaning of ratio and proportion using concrete and pictorial models. Hello, Dina. Hey, what a pleasant surprise.
Hello, Teacher Mar. I will be sending donations for the community outreach in your place.
That's great. That's very kind of you.
Please send me the number of people in your community. I plan to give each person 5 cans of sardines.
Okay, so that's 1 person is to 5 cans of sardines. I'll send you soon the figures, Dina. Thanks.
Well, it is an honor to be of help to the needy, Teacher Mar.
That's very inspiring. Thanks again. Bye.
Okay, bye.
What a great day this is. And looks like we're going to be busy. Look, the donations are here. Oh, this is going to be so exciting. Doesn't it feel good when you help people? Well, see, before the distribution, we need to sort these cans of sardines like Dina said. Do you remember how many cans of sardines will 1 person receive? That's right. 1 person will receive 5 cans of sardines. So this is what each person will receive. 5 cans of sardines. This can really go a long way. What if in the family there are 4 members? How many cans of sardines will the family receive? That's right. The family will receive 20 cans of sardines. Easy, right? All we have to do now is to make sure that each family will receive equal or fair share based on the number of members in the family. Like what if the family has 10 members? Or 12? Or more? Math always has ways to make things easy, accurate, and fast. And here's how. So 1 person will receive 5 cans of sardines. In here, we compare quantities. What are these quantities? That's right, the number of persons and the number of cans of sardines. The comparison of these quantities is what we call ratio. Ratio can be expressed in 3 ways. 1:5 in column form, 1:5 in fraction form, and 1:5 in words. So if 1 person receives 5 cans of sardines, then 2 persons is to 10 cans of sardines, 3 is to 15, and 4 persons receive 20 cans of sardines. The ratios are 1:5, 2:10, 3:15, and 4:20. These ratios are equal with one another. Like if 1 person will receive 5 cans of sardines, it is equally fair with 2 persons to get 10 cans of sardines. In mathematical terms, they are in proportion with one another. Proportion is the equality of 2 ratios. Like 1:5 is in proportion with 4:20. You may check if 2 ratios are equal or proportionate by multiplying the extremes and the means. If the product of the extremes and the means are equal, then the ratios are said to be proportionate. Now let's check with the other ratios. Is 1:5 in proportion with 3:15? That's right. 1:5 is in proportion with 3:15 because the product of their extremes and the product of their means are equal, and that is 15. Now how about this? Is 1:5 in proportion with 4:15? No, they're not. 1:5 is not proportionate with 4:15. This is because the product of their extremes
and the product of their means are not equal.
Fascinating, isn't it? Well, that's math, my dear pupils. Math offers a variety of skills that will help you succeed in many real-life problems. Now, where were we? Oh yeah, okay.
So, if one person is to 5 cans of sardines, 2 persons is to 10, 3 is to 15, and 4 is to 20, how about 5 persons? Correct. It's 25.
Now let's try bigger numbers. How many cans of sardines should I prepare for a village of 30 people?
So, to find the number of cans of sardines for 30 people, we need to multiply the 5 cans of sardines in the same way we multiplied the number of people. So, I need to prepare 150 cans of sardines for a village of 30 people. Now your turn. How many cans of sardines are needed for a town of 100 people? Awesome! We need 500 cans of sardines for 100 people. I wonder if we have enough.
Now I already found out the number of people in the neighboring villages. Can you help me with the number of cans of sardines I need to prepare for each of these villages? Now get your pens ready and try this out.
Purok Magiting has 65 people. Purok Masipag has 85. And Purok Magalang has 120 people. Can you tell me how many cans of sardines are needed for each village? Fantastic! That's some great help you did there. Purok Magiting needs 325 cans of sardines. Purok Masipag needs 425 cans of sardines, while Purok Magalang needs 600 cans of sardines.
Now let's try something else. There are 3 plates and 4 cups ready for dinner. What is the ratio of the number of plates to the number of cups? That's right, it's 3 to 4. If the ratio of the number of plates to the number of cups is 3 to 4, then how many cups do we need if there are 9 plates? Very good. We need 12 cups for 9 plates. Looks like you're getting it. Now how about some more challenging numbers?
If the ratio of the number of plates to the number of cups is 3 to 4, tell me how many cups are needed for 12 plates. How about 21 plates? Very good. 12 plates need 16 cups, while 21 plates need 28 cups. Now let's step up a bit. This time, let's add a little time pressure. Answer the following before the time is up. Get your pen and write down your answers. Ready? Go!
Now let's go back to our community outreach. You see, earlier, we used pictures to understand the concepts of ratio and proportion. And that is 1 person is to 5 cans of sardines, or simply 1 is to 5. Now let's check. At this rate, how many cans of sardines should 10 persons receive? How about 12? Fantastic! 10 persons will receive 50 cans of sardines, and 12 persons will receive 60 cans of sardines. Man, that's a whole lot of sardines. Well, looks like we're ready. So I'm ready to pack the sardines, ready to bring smiles to the community. Come, join me! To apply what you have learned in this episode about ratio and proportion, check out your learner's home tasks. That's right, your learner's home tasks. Have fun learning, and see you next time on another exciting episode of Math Legends TV.